You can't run a PUP file on your PC. This is a firmware update file specifically for the PlayStation. It needs to go on a USB stick in a specific folder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the folder structure you need. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens PUP files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. The PUP file carries the industry-recognized flag for firmware file formats. The PlayStation 3 update file is the definitive structure for this data. The PUP file is a proprietary PlayStation 3, PS3 system update file. It contains encrypted firmware and system software required to update the console. It is not an archive or media file. It is a critical system component. Developed by Sony, the format is closed source and highly encrypted. The file is designed to be read exclusively by the PS3's internal updater and is digitally signed. Attempting to open the file on a PC, even with extractors like PS3 PUP extractor, will only reveal encrypted binary data or the file's metadata, not the actual firmware contents. To ensure best performance with PUP, always start with PS3 PUP extractor from Interscape. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows does not support firmware level viewing, so operations must be done in matching device software. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your PUP file and choose Open With. Test with PS3 PUP extractor first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. When your PUP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the PUP file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, use PlayStation 4.5. If a PS4, PS5 update, place the file in the correct USB structure and use the console's safe mode to apply the update. Next, use the associated program. If it is a PUP Linux update or an older PC update, use the program that created the update package. Finally, check digital signature. If the console or program rejects the file, check the file size and verify the digital signature, as corrupted or modified PUP files will be rejected. If no standard application could engage your PUP file, we must escalate to a specialized utility. Activating the universal fix is the best option to try for this file type. Because the specialized software couldn't access your PUP file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way. Only get files from trusted sources.